Hello there. Welcome to the Early Childhood Inclusion Center of Excellence's Play Session. My name is Alexa Nunari. I'm the Northwest Inclusion Support Specialist.
And I'm Lindsay Morrison. I'm the Southeast Inclusion Support Specialist. So we aim to promote inclusion for all early care populations, and we also try to provide awesome materials to our early care and education professionals and even families and caregivers.
We have a lot of materials available to borrow here at our lending library, but today we're just going to highlight a little bit from our music kit, starting with our band jam right here. So this material can be used for children with limited or challenging gross motor movements or fine motor movements for them to participate in music activities. So they could just push the buttons in order to participate. Or if you have a child whose strength is laying on their stomach, or you want to get them practice building their strength laying on their stomach, this is a great way to get them to have that practice in. If a child's strength is using their feet, you can put it on the floor, give their friends some headphones so they don't have to listen. And allow them to participate that way. And as you can see, we have lots of supportive materials so that all friends can enjoy music together.
Yeah. All done?
Yep.
Great. Well, just like this band jam, we have our musical caterpillar, which can be used similarly with your feet or on your stomach. Oh. Row, row, row your boat. You can also just play with your hands, enjoy it that way. It's just gonna play row, row, row your boat. We'll see if we can play some songs. The awesome thing about our musical caterpillar is it does come with pre-selected songs. So if you are an early care professional or a parent and you kind of want to have a little bit more of a guided music time, you have the option to. So would you do the honors and please pick me a song?
Absolutely. Close your eyes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Rock out.
Gonna set it right on my little desk here. And we just hit the buttons in accordance with the colors. So. Oh, thank you for assisting me with that.
You're welcome. I just couldn't help but catch the beat.
We also have other materials you can borrow, such as these fun boom whackers, which are available on our Early Childhood Inclusion Center of Excellence's inventory.
And these boom whackers we have here are different musical instruments that children with a hearing loss might be able to use. Gives them some more sensory input. The vibrations are different for each size and color.
Yep, they're perfect materials. So if you liked this adaptive music kit and you want to see what else we have out there, feel free to go to our lending library or even the Early Childhood Inclusion Center of Excellence's online collection. We have plenty of kits available or just individual materials, just like these boom whackers, that you're able to kind of check out, borrow them for free, see what's out there and what's available for your kids in your setting.
Or if you're joining us from outside the state of Ohio, make sure you check your state resources and see if you have a lending library. Most states do. So there's lots of programs out there that if you're joining us from outside of Ohio, you can definitely look into and see how you can get your kids this equipment.
And if you are really interested in a specific item, feel free to reach out to us here at OCALI. We'd be more than happy to help you locate that resource or that material so that your kids can use it and create some awesome music and other activities. Thank you for joining us. We hope you had a great time with us. I know we had a great time, right, Alexa?
Absolutely.
All right, we'll see you later.
Hey, can I play?
Yeah,
come on in.